Do you feel safe, Joni?
Nope. This is not a safe space.
Wade in the world. Why is it so wet?
It feels like boogery.
What's on your hand? What's on your hand?
What is it?
What is that?
Oh,
live
it's
one?
definitely a fish. I'm touching it now.
Are,
It's a fish.
Is it alive?
Uh-huh.
You're lying. Why is it like mushy?
I don't know.
What is it? Guess.
It was a fish.
Is it still a fish?
No.
That definitely came out of someone's nose as an upper respiratory infection. With
I'm
that.
just kind of like tapping it.
Ugh.
Stop putting it on me.
I thought maybe the top of your hand might help you. I have no
No
idea.
idea.
What
It
this
is just the nastiest.
Is this like little oysters without their shells?
It feels like shrimp or something. like some.
Octopus.
Oysters.
Oysters.
All right, yeah, see, that's pleasant.
All right.
Oysters.
Oysters.
It is. Look at them.
Yeah, I'm down with that. With a cracker and hot sauce, not
Okay.
in a bowl.
I'm fine with this.
Oyster high five.
Oyster high five. Oh, got a little on my face.
Oyster five.
Little sea buggers. Ew, it's slided on me. Oyster juice.
Look before you
Look
touch.
before you touch.
And wash your hands.
And wash your hands.
Always wash
Always
your hands.
wash your hands.
Can we wash our hands yet?
Yes.